Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am out in Sandpoint, Idaho, out in this beautiful Lake Ponderay, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cook stoves to shoot some epic footage for you guys. Featured next to me is the Milly, and I want to give you guys 5 reasons why I love the Milly cook stove. Number 1 is going to be this huge baking oven. I really love how big the baking oven is and that it comes standard with 2 racks. You get a wire rack and you do get an enamel pan as well. And that is a super nice feature. It's really quite deep. Like if you were to take it out, you could fit a nice deep pan in there as well. Number 2, I do really like the aesthetics of the Milly. I think she's really cute on the legs, fitted up with the cast iron. Everybody always seems to be really attracted to the Nordica Milly, and I think it gets the most attention out of all of the models in the Nordica product line. Number 3, it does have a fairly large firebox on this model, and you can easily fit like an 18 to a 19-inch log, which is pretty good for these smaller footprint stoves. So if you have a larger log length that's already cut, but you're looking for a smaller footprint stove, the Milly might be a great option to start looking at. Number 3, this model does heat up pretty quickly, so you can really start to cook on the stove, I would say honestly, within 10 to 15 minutes of lighting it. It's hot enough to start cooking, and you can get your baking oven up to temperature quite quick as well. Now, on the flip side of that, your baking oven can get quite hot. So if you're baking at a lower temperature, you may need to control with a smaller fire by loading less wood. Number 4, this model does come standard with the towel racks on it. I do like that. I think it adds a lot to the aesthetic, and it's kind of just nice to have a blocker to keep you from bumping into the hot edges of the stove. Number 5 is going to be the cast iron components of the stove overall. I do like that it's a center flue. It can be a top or a rear vent, so that makes it pretty versatile. Those are the 5 reasons why I like the Nordica Milly cook stove. If you guys like these videos, if they're helpful, informational, and educational, please give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.